What's going on, guys? I know a lot of you guys like to trade the 1 minute time frame. Let's go ahead and show you the 20 SMA setup and the power of it and how to be a sniper, right? So if you are someone who maybe enjoys the fast pace, you want to get in there, you want to make a quick buck, and then you want to go do something else, or you want to go to work, or you want to get off the screens altogether, then maybe sniping the 1 minute time frame using the 20 SMA strategy might be for you. Here's the kicker. The longer you sit at the screen, the more trades you take, the higher the probability is you're going to lose and give back gains. Okay. So this is how we're going to change it up a little bit so you can attack the market in the first 30 minutes. Whatever setup happens in the first 30 minutes from market open to the top of the hour, you take. As soon as 30 minutes is done, you take no more trades. Okay, if you want to go trade another account with completely other strategies or the way that you normally trade, be my guest. But if you're just looking to take maybe it's one trade, maybe it's two trades, maybe it's four, whatever trades set up in the first 30 minutes and then walk away, come back, do it again tomorrow, you will have a clear, definitive job, a task that you can do each and every single day. And all you're looking for are these 20 SMAs with the 1 minute time frame. So notice here, this candle closes over the 20 SMA. Boom. Your entry, following candle. Once we confirm, you're taking profits on the way up. Here's your second entry. Here's your stop loss. Boom. Taking profits on the way down. So how are we going to set up a stop loss? How are we going to set up a take profit? It's going to be very simple. All we're going to look for is a 1-to-1. Okay. On the reason why candle. Okay. Make it easy on yourself. Make the market force your hand to get out of the trade because technically it's broken. So if you look at the first trade setup, it happened leading into the market open. So at 9:28. Okay. So 9:28. And again, I wouldn't go too far in the pre-market trying to trade these, but any setup that you get maybe with 5 minutes opening or 10 minutes to the bell, those are okay. Let's not, trade this all night. Okay. Your first setup at 9:28, we confirm at 9:29. You're looking at an 8.5 point range candle. So your stop loss is going to go, I would say about a point and a half below that reason why candle. And you're going to look for around 8 to 9 points. Very simple. And you can see here, don't need to do the math, right? I think we can all use our eyes. This would have paid you 8 to 9 points. Okay. So if you were trading this on one mini contract, you just made $100. Look at the second trade, sets up at 9:40 Eastern. It's a 21 point range candle. Where does your stop go? Say it with me. Over the reason why candle. Maybe drop that stop a point or two above the reason why. Okay, so maybe we're all in risking, 21, 22 points. If you are going to trade a mini contract, I want you to understand right now that looking for 20 points can be sometimes hard. Looking for 20 points can sometimes stop you out. And if you do lose this particular trade, you're going to be down around $400. However, once we confirm, not only do you get the 20 points, you would have gotten a lot more. So $400 trade there. And then you're looking at around $100 trade here. A little over $100 on that first trade. This is a $500 work day in 30 minutes. I think many of you guys can walk away on a $500 day. $500 for 30 minutes is not bad. Now, what if you are saying, well, I don't want to risk, $400 or $500 on a 22 point stop loss here. That's fine. Trade micros. How many? 5. So instead of risking $400, you're risking $200. Okay. And you're also looking to make $200 right there. Cha-ching. Easy, easy, easy. Well, if it's that easy, how come everyone doesn't use the strategy? I don't know. If it's that easy, how come, everyone's not a millionaire? Because guess what? Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it wicks you in and shoots up and you get stopped out and everyone starts crying. No strategy is going to work 100% of the time. I will be the realest mother effer and tell you, if you're looking for some golden goose, you're not going to find it. If you're looking for the perfect strategy, you're not going to find it. If you're looking to never lose a trade, you're not going to find it. If you're looking to only risk $50 but make $5,000, you're not going to find it. That's why. Have I used this strategy before? Sure. Do I use it all the time? No. Why is that? Sometimes for me personally, the 1 minute candles are too fast. Sometimes I miss the trades. Sometimes I got too much other shit going on the charts with options, with NQ, with the, the 5 minute time frame, that 1 hour time frame, that I just don't take them. But I would be a liar to tell you that I've never played that way, because I have, and I've taken good money. And sometimes a trader needs to realize that it's not about me personally or you personally trying to sit there and hawk this trade and that trade and this one and that one and this one and that one, because God forbid you take one loss and you don't handle it right, you're going to give everything back. So maybe you win this trade, maybe you win that trade, maybe let's say, is this a loser? I don't even know if this is a loser. No, it's not, because it never closed below the reason why. But let's say this pullback was a loser and you gave back these gains and you gave back these gains. Now you're on tilt and now you're just chasing price action. If you're going to be a hyper scalper like this, find one setup, find two setups, find three setups, max. If you want to do it across multiple accounts because you do want to take 10 trades a day, be my guest. But what are the rules? We're using we're going about a point or two below the reason why candle or above the reason why candle as a stop. We're waiting for a 1 minute candle. We're waiting for a 1 minute candle to close over the 20 SMA. We're dropping our stop here. And as we start to approach what we are risking, we are taking the cash. So if we're looking for 8 points to the downside, 9 points to the downside as a stop loss, as soon as we go up 8-9 points, you got to get out. If we're looking for a 20-point stop here, a 22-point stop here, when we go down 22 points, you got to stop. If you manage to win one trade, two trades, you got to stop. Okay, don't be an idiot. Again, I see so many traders that put on really good trades in the open, off the first 30 minutes, and they give everything back like an absolute idiot. I'll raise my hand. Have I done it as well? Of course. I'm not perfect. I'm human. But take what I'm telling you, someone who has been trading for 12 years. This business is effing hard. Okay? So if you are lucky enough to see the market clearly and make money, especially with inside the first 30 minutes of the day, please, I'm begging you, walk away or trade another account entirely. I don't care if you want to sit here from market open to market close. By golly, make a rule and trade a new account every hour. Okay? So if you're going to trade account number 101 off the open, then trade account number 102 the second hour. And then account 103 the third hour. Whatever, you guys get what I'm saying. Don't sit there and take 6 trades on one account where you won 3 trades, you lost 3 trades, but you finished negative. Here's my rule. Especially if you're playing heavy size like mini contracts, you win 1 trade, better have a talk with yourself. Might be time to call it quits. You win 2 trades, you better damn well shut the computer screen down. Move on into a new account. Hope that video helps you guys. This is going to be for all you micro, hyper, sniper scalpers on the 1 minute time frame.